Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome friends to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a navigation bar. In other words, a nav bar. So let's start with it. First of all you need to do is create a simple, as you can see, a simple basic code as HTML has body, and now in body we're going to use the div tag, which is div. I'll just make this text bigger so you can see. Okay, now I'm going to create a div tag. I'm going to give it an ID, which is going to be main, and close that div. After closing that div, we are gonna include the unordered list, which is ul and end of ul. Now we need li, and let's say in li we need an anchor tag, and href equals nothing and just end of li, end of a, and then end of li. So I'm gonna copy this and create a couple of like this, 5 of them, and name them. First one will be home, second one will be web designing, third one will be softwares, fourth one will be about, and fifth one will be contact us. I'm gonna save it and let's see how does it looks like. As you can see, let me zoom in again. This is how it looks like, and it's perfect. So now we are gonna go to style, and let me see. Okay, in style we are gonna type, first of all I want to do something with main div. In main div I'm gonna type hash main. Means main is an ID. I'm gonna tell it let main width be like 100%. As you can see, it's I already have style tags, so I'm creating a CSS in here. And height should be about 60 pixels. Now the background should be, let's say, sky blue, and let's save it and see how does it looks like. Yeah, good for now. And after that, let's get going. I'm gonna go in the, I'm gonna name this, give it a class, the ul. I'm gonna give it a class, say ull. Okay, ul main. So in ul main dot ul main, I'm gonna say that I want, let's say, list minus style equals none. So let's save it and see what happens. So the dots has disappeared. Okay, now let's say dot ul main, and in dot ul main I want the li work on li tag, which should be the li tag. What is li tag? The list item tag. I want all the list item to be displayed in line. Okay, let's save it and test it out. Okay, now it is working perfect, and as you can see, yeah, there is one thing we should have done, which was main, and that was margin 0 and padding 0. And let's see how does it look now. No difference. There should have been difference. Okay, I think. Okay, whatever. But it's good to put them in these two, okay? And sky blue. Now it's good. Now what I want the font size to be about 24 pixels. Let's save it again and see it. Well, I have, as you can remember, I have just increased that, I have zoomed before, that's why it appears big. It should be like this, or maximum like this. Okay, so top minus margin, let's give it a padding of 5 pixels. Save it. Okay, now it looks cool. And after this, let me check it out. I want to put an image before in the background, so I'll choose, no, we will do that in others, not now. Okay, let's see, this is finished. So what do we want now? I don't like the background color, so I will go in the colors, W3 school colors, and I'll choose a color for myself. Go to color names, and I'll choose this one, 000. This is cyan, not this. Let's see some bluish, beautiful bluish color, and that should be okay. Not something really beautiful. Let's choose this light sky blue. I'm using sky blue, so it should not be sky blue. Yeah, this one. Let's check it out. It is Dodger blue, Dodger. So let's see it, paste it, save it, go in here. Yes, no, whatever. I think the light sky blue is better. Light sky blue. I'm gonna save it. Yeah. Okay, now we have to work on the links. So it may appear it appears a little bit dummy now. I'm gonna improve that by first of all give it the border in the bottom, and it should be about 2 pixels. Let it to be double, and let it have color pink. Save it. Okay, now it appears nice. As you can see, this small, if you can see actually. Let me make it 5 pixels so that you can see it. Yeah, this is it, what I was talking about. Now I want to do something or other amazing things like border minus radius should be equal to 30 pixels. That's all. To make it more beautiful, as you can see, now it has a rounded and beautiful shape. And let's go in here and put padding about 10 pixels. Save it. Well, I don't think that will work. Yeah, float left. No, float left should be, I think, in anchor tag, but let me try it in here. It should be in A tag, the A tag, anchor tag. No, I knew it. It doesn't work in here. It always works in A tag. So we are gonna create a A tag dot ul main lia. First of all of it should float left. Okay, but and in li there should be no text minus decoration, so none. Let's take this in here. So let's see if it works in here. You can try on a different position. Yeah, it works in here. And the float property is not good for now. Actually, you can just try to make it more beautiful, and that's up to you how you want to try it. I'll give you the the path, and you have to work on that path. So I'm giving you the path, and just all you need to do is work on it. Let's say now I use padding, and let's say 10 pixels. Here. Well, instead of padding, let me give it margin. Top margin minus top should be, let's say, 5 pixels. I wish this works. I set top only margin 5 pixels margin. Save it, and whatever, I am unable to. Let me just give me a minute so that I fix it. So we are done. What I have done is added a padding and margin in here in the ul name means in here ul, and just took out margin from here. That's all. Thank you. Let's start with it. And as you can see, let's do some advanced stuff, like I want the color to be white. So if I look at it, as you can see, it looks beautiful. My small little, very little niece suggested yellow color, and I was playing around yesterday, and I'm gonna use his color because it's not beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna use white. Yeah, white. And now what do I want? I want dot ul main li hover. When I hover over it, I want it to have background. My background should be, let's say, white. Color should be black, and text minus transformation should be uppercase. So what I'm saying it, when I hover means do like this, go over it. I want it to have a background color white and the text color to be black, and I wanted the A only means anchor tag to convert into anchor tag is this. As you can see, this contains a anchor tag. I want it to transform into uppercase. So let's see it, how does it look, and I think it will look good. So let's see. But the problem in here is good, but I can't see the uppercase. Text transformation MA. So let's see it now. Okay, let's say transform only. Save it. I'm very bad with remembering stuff. Yeah, text minus transform into uppercase. So as you can see, when I hover over my stuff, my links, they become like that, and this is really beautiful. I can just change the background color. Let's say I want to change the background color to blue again, to sky blue. It's different than light sky blue, so let's see. Yeah, as you can see, it gives me a really beautiful effect. And let's do something very fast. .ul main li a active. It means when I click on it, what should happen? So background color should remain, everything should remain as it is, but text transformation should convert into, and I want the background color to also change. So what does it mean? When I click on it, it should become into capitalize. I think I'm mistaken again, but let's see. Yeah, as you can see, when I click on it, it becomes web designing again, and capital. This becomes the capitalized form, and this becomes the, okay, what is happening over here? Let me check it out. Yeah, okay, so we are done with our menu, and it looks beautiful, and you can just add image stuff like that in here. thing in this menu, and inshallah I'll help you if you need any help. Thank you very much guys for watching, and it's really long, took very long. Okay, Allah Hafiz.